So I'm back on day number 2. It got a little late in the day and they hadn't had water for many hours, so I packed up, went home, and now I'm back to finish the job. I learned a little something interesting about CPVC glue. That is what you want for weather that's below 40 degrees. I had some stuff that had red writing on it that was CPVC glue, but it isn't appropriate for really cold weather. And let's see, this is my little temporary fix. That is a push-on fitting, and it was still leaking, so I put a, a little clamp around it. It actually held overnight, so well, that's good. A good trick. Alright, glad I didn't have to crawl under there. And let's turn off the water. I think they had already turned it off just to be safe. Let's see, back to the car, get a couple mats, and the trick with PVC, anything, if you're gluing, is to follow the directions meticulously, unless you want to come back. And that doesn't always happen, but every now and then it won't glue correctly and you'll have to come back, and it's a real pain. And let's see, where's my, oh, I think I left my mats. That's good. Alright, got the Dremel. Need one of these. Yeah, you have to watch all those different types of PVC glue. Oh, excellent. I left them there from yesterday. They work at different temperatures. And you have to go in and read the spec sheets to see what temperature they perform at. And you got to match the glue up correctly. Alright, I got to do a little work.